Let's talk about this worksheet that is in the back of your packet. It says adding on time. Go ahead and grab that, make sure your name, number, and date is on it, and let's talk about what you're going to do. The directions say fill in the missing time intervals using the given multiple. And then we have an example in front of us. It says start time is 12:15 and then add 15 minutes. So what I'm guessing from these instructions is that if I have a clock in front of me, I'm going to mentally in my brain set it at 12:15. Then I'm going to add 15 minutes onto that. Well, 12:15, 15 right here, plus 15 that gives us 12:30. And then I'm going to, in my brain, add 15 more minutes onto that, and we get to what? 12:45. 15 minutes after that, we get to what? 1 o'clock. Okay, I hope none of you were saying 12:60. Okay, there is no 12:60 on a clock. It's the new hour. So I'm going to keep counting by 15 minutes until I'm done with this problem. So that's what you will be doing with all of these problems on this worksheet. There is a start time, and then you are going to add a specific amount of time and fill in the blanks. Some of you will be tempted to go get a clock from the shelf. Do not do that. You won't have a clock when you take the MAP test, will you? So you need to do this in your brain. Do your best in adding time going around the clock. Remember, at 59, you have 1 more minute till you get to 60, and then it's the new hour. Okay, just be mindful of switching over from 59 to 60, because 60 is the new hour. All right? When you're done with this paper, you can move on to the next step in your pathway. Good luck.